In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend a line in Canva. So on your page, click on Elements and let's search for some lines. Oh, they're already here, so I'll just click on it. So this is our line now. Let's make that a little bit longer. And the thickness. Oh, if you'd like to change the thickness, click on this here, these lines, and change the thickness by dragging on the slider. There you go. So to bend this line, you need to click this line, of course, and then click this icon here, the line type with two circles on each end, and you'll be able to see curved. So in a curved line, it'll turn out like this. There you go. That's about it. That's how you can bend a line in Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.